had an engaging session with Mr. President himself, being in attendance, and we're able to give an overview about the progress we are making, about the next areas of focus to deepen the reform and translate the reforms into results, as well as the outlook for what we plan to do going forward. We're also able to answer their questions, and we're also able to get insights about the excitement that they continue to have about the running of the economy, the reforms, and the fact that we're able to give them the commitment, including Mr. President himself, about what we will not do. For example, we will not bring back subsidy because it creates distortion for the economy, and we will not introduce price control because we believe in markets, while at the same time ensuring that regulation is responsible so that there's no supplier, trader, manufacturer taking advantage of the Nigerian people. We see also the issues going on in Iran. While that is unfortunate, we think it presents new opportunities for us as the world looks to diversify sources of energy and investing in new markets, as well as ensuring that Nigeria is able to get the optimal outcome from the price regime to be able to mobilize more revenue and spend that productively to address supply side, and also ensure that we manage inflation as much as possible. So overall, excitement, better days ahead.
I inherited an economy on the teeters, ready to go south. It was a very serious turnaround, recalibration. The subsidy that was important to the entire country was removed. And ever since, today we've achieved the exchange rate stability by floating the currency. You are able to have a better return on the bonds, and consistency is the name of the game. And shows some serious transparency. And just to captain the team and bring intellectual curiosity to how to navigate the stormy waters of the economy.